Yo, fellow devs and anime lovers, ready to unlock some coding jutsu? Welcome to Code No Jutsu. Hey everyone, I'm Nathan, a developer who also happens to be an anime nerd. Yeah, we do exist. I've been writing code for a while now. Python, JavaScript, Next.js, which I absolutely love, and React, name it. But I also spend way too much time watching anime. Way too much. So I thought, why not mix the two? Why not create a space where coding isn't just about semicolons and syntax errors, but it's about perhaps a jutsu, an epic transformation. So, what Code Not is all about? Simple actually. I take coding and tech and blend them with an anime vibes, whether it's breaking down complex programming concepts using anime references. Yeah, just having fun with tech, and this channel is where you can have all that happen. So, what's coming up? Expect coding tutorials, cool projects, and maybe some anime-inspired coding challenges. Wouldn't that be amazing? And if you are into Python, JavaScript, you are in the right place. Alright, that's a quick intro to Code No Jutsu. If this sounds like your kind of thing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single upload. Also, drop a comment below. Tell me your favorite anime. I promise to tell you mine in my next video. And what kind of coding content you would love to see. Alright, that's it for me. See you in the next video. And remember, Code No Jutsu.